Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make light to dark skin in Photoshop. First, we go to the select menu, click on the subject. Select pen tool. Press Ctrl Alt Enter. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. Go to the layer panel, click on the adjust icon, select black and white. Follow the setting. Again, click on the adjust icon and choose selected color. Follow the setting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.